Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds d and j. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the d sound in the word deans. Deans, deans. Now the j sound in the word jeans. Jeans, jeans. Now I will use them both in a sentence. The deans will not allow jeans. The deans will not allow jeans. The deans will not allow jeans. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!